Do you want to catch short-term dark horse to make huge profits in short time? If you know how to use OBV, you can make it easily. If you are a person who loves learning, you can subscribe my channel and follow me from now on. I will train you to be a person who can fight and win in the market. Today, I will teach you a simple method that can work as soon as you learn. If you can understand all the key points, the success rate can reach 90%. But if you can only understand part of them, the success rate can only reach 70%. There are some notes at the end of this video. If you can master all of them, then you can easily use this indicator to make money in the market. If you use MA very often, please pay attention to this indicator. Because Mr. Grandviller, who invented the MA, felt that MA was not so perfect, so he invented this indicator to solve the imperfection of MA. This indicator is OBV. Now open your trading system and find OBV. This indicator has two lines, OBV and AOBV. When OBV rises steadily, this is the premise to make this indicator more accurate. In the process of the smooth upward movement of the AOBV, when the OBV comes back near the AOBV, it gently touches the AOBV and starts to turn upward, just like a table tennis ball falling on the ground and rebounding. This is the time for you to enter the market immediately, and then you can realize your dream. Once buy, the price will fly. Let me show you two examples. One is successful and the other is failed. Then I will tell you how to improve the success rate to 90%. Let's see this counter. Price consolidated at the bottom area, then break out and pull back. At the same time, AOBV already turned upwards and moves up smoothly. Then OBV also pull back and the price retreats and then touched the AOBV. After hitting AOBV and then turn upwards, it will be our best attempt to get in. So, if you find such an opportunity, you can enter the stock boldly. Then you can enjoy the huge profits later. For this stock, price rose more than 150% in the next 10 trading days. If you can find it according to OBV and this method, then even if you can't find such a powerful one, a 50% rise will be enough for you in the second half year. Is this indicator really so powerful? For me, the answer is definitely yes. But actually, it depends on how you use it. If I say that the high-speed railway is faster than the airplane, some people may say that I'm talking nonsense. But once the high-speed railway is built from KL to Singapore, it will be a truth that high-speed railway is faster than the airplane from Singapore to KL, right? Therefore, if you want the higher success rate of this indicator, you must pay attention to the following three key points. If you know these three key points, it's easy to use this indicator. Those who say that the indicator is nonsense and deceptive, more than 90% of them don't know the following 3 points. Firstly, the price must stand above the 60-day MA. No matter how good the method is, it can't be used to trade the downtrend stocks. If you choose the wrong direction, the harder you work, the further you will away from your destination. Secondly, we also need to pay attention to the direction of MA. During the correction of price, 60-day MA needs to rise steadily, indicating that the medium-term trend is still in uptrend. This is the premise. If 60-day MA is downwards, it is easy to be trapped if you trade according to the method I taught today. Let's take a look at the case. The same thing is that OBV touches AOBV, but the difference is that the direction of the 60-day MA is different. The first time when OBV touched AOBV, 60-day MA was still in downwards, which means it is still in medium-term downtrend. So even OBV touched AOBV, it's only a short-term rebound. But the second time, when OBV touched AOBV and turned upwards, price already stands above 60-day MA and also 60-day MA already turned upwards, indicating this stock already reversed to medium-term uptrend. Thirdly, you need to stay away from the stocks of the bankers are distributing now. For this point, you can subscribe my channel and watch the previous videos to learn. Because if you don't know how to distinguish bankers withdrawal from distribution, it will never be possible to catch the super bull counters. Okay, that's all for today's lesson about the application of OBV. A small tactic only, but can help you to make huge profits from the market in very short time. If you have any questions, you can leave a message in the comment zone. See you next time. Bye bye. Thank you.